All right, you guys. So nothing has tickled me more than this has recently. I went to Walmart today. I did a car haul. It'll be posted on my YouTube channel in a little bit. But I purchased these little LOL fashions sets. This is the slumber party style one. It came with 3 little outfits and then these little accessories. So this is everything that came with it. And the idea that I had worked out perfectly. So look what I did with the little outfits that it came with. Oh my God. You cannot tell me that this is the cutest thing that you have seen. Like, look how perfect. The little, I hate this lighting, which kind of sucks, but nonetheless, these are the 3 little outfits that it came with. And it also came with these little shoes, but these look kind of too adult for, in my opinion. I mean, I guess you could put them on. Let's see. I don't know. I just thought they looked kind of grown. Let's see. It's kind of hard putting the stuff on because they're so floppy. I mean, I guess it doesn't look bad, but to me, it's kind of weird. So I won't be doing that. But so this is a little hat that comes with this one. Look at these. It's a little t-shirt and the shorts, and it came with these little boots. I am so tickled. Look how stinking cute that is. Like, the back of it doesn't fit perfectly. It just kind of sits on them. But how? Look at this. Same thing. It just kind of sits on there, which I'm assuming it's probably how it's going to look on the little LOL dolls too. Because, I mean, I don't know. Are they smaller? I have no idea. I don't have any of those. But that's the second one. It's a little robe with the little pajamas underneath. And then look at the little dress. This is so adorable. Now this makes me want, and these were like $4, $4.97 or 4 something like that. The other ones weren't as like baby friendly, at least the ones at my store. They were more like I can't remember. One had like it was black, kind of looked very gothic. And there was another one. I mean, because so LOL dolls are kind of adult dolls, adult looking dolls, a little risque. So this was the cutest one that I saw. But look how perfect. I mean, I'm so tickled by this. So check out Walmart. These are my little babies or my mini babies. And all they come with is a diaper. So I couldn't find any clothes to fit them, and I can't make any clothes. I can't sew like that. But these are perfect and I want more. Check out Walmart for these little LOL, or I don't know, wherever else you can find them. If I can find them on Amazon, I'll link them in my description box. But look how stinking cute. Oh, that's what you're looking for, the one that just fell. But look how cute. 3 little and it comes with 3 outfits, so definitely worth it. Doesn't really matter that the little belly is sticking out. I mean, babies' bellies always stick out anyway. But this is cute. So if you want to see the haul, I did get a bunch of other stuff that was on clearance too. So head over to my YouTube channel, watch that haul, and until next time, be blessed and be the reason someone smiles. Bye.